Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the currency on your Shopify store to USD. So if you want to change the currency on your Shopify store to USD, here are the quick guide on how to get that done. So the first step, which is what you have to do, is just open your browser and type in the Shopify website. Then once you do that, then log in with your account credentials. Once you do that, tap on the settings or tap at the settings. The settings is being located on the dashboard, and you can find the settings icon at the bottom left corner of the Shopify store. Once you do that, then tap on the access payment settings. So in the access payment settings, you will find a menu. You will find an option called payment or checkout. Click on it. Once you click on it, depend on this. So this option it depends on the version of the Shopify store you are using. On your own version, you might find this option, which is payment, or on the other version, which is maybe the latest version or the old version, you can find this option called checkout. So after that, once you do that, then you scroll down to the store currency section. So from there, you click on the currency drop down, then select United States, which is the United States dollar, and the short form of it is USD. From there, after that, click the list. When you tap on the list, then you save it, then you refresh, then the change will reflect immediately, and that is it. If you find the video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.